Hey guys, it's Mike again from RV Depot Supercenter down in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. Today I want to show you guys a 2022 Gulfstream vintage cruiser. Check this out. If you're an old school kind of guy or gal, we've got it. Come on down here and look at this. Tell me that isn't cool. Where's your 57 Chevy to pull this bad boy out to the lake? It does have some modern amenities though, of course. Look at that, what you see. It's got some outdoor speakers, a beautiful awning that'll come out. Hey, you're sitting out in the evening, you want to have a beverage of choice. Open this up, sit out, listen to a little music from your era. Tell me you wouldn't be styling in this. A vintage, like a good bottle of wine. Come on in, let me show you this. As we step up into this coach, I want you to notice something right off the get-go. This screams old school, cool, vibrant. I mean, guys, look at this dinette you have. Look at this couch. Look at this layout, y'all. Nice stereo system above the dinette table. Plenty of lighting in here, but it's just fun. It's got a good vibe to it, guys. Nice AC unit. Nice inlaid sink. Got deep sink there for dishes, what have you. 3-burner cooktop stove. Nice little oven. Microwave above, and check out the fridge, y'all. Look at the color on that. Isn't that awesome, you guys? Let's go back in here. And for a small package coach like this, look how big this shower is, you guys. I'm about 6'2" on a good day. Look at here. Plenty of room. Wand shower. Works great. Washing up good. No problem. Keep that in mind. Across here, beautiful bathroom. Simple, elegant, cool, everything you need. Now, look in the bedroom. There's plenty of room to walk in here so each person can get on either side of this coach. You can get in to lay down. You've got a little more storage. You've got drawer cabinets all the way across, top and the bottom, coming around. TV mounted in here as well if you need it. So you got plenty of room for that, okay? So, to wrap this one up for you, you need to come see me. My name's Mike. Come see myself, Tony, Bridget, or Teresa. We're at the RV Depot Supercenter in beautiful Cleburne, Texas.